Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use the checkbox grid in Google Forms. A checkbox grid is useful when you want respondents to select multiple options across categories. To get started, open your Google form and add a new question. From the question type dropdown, select Checkbox Grid. Enter your rows, which represent the main categories or statements. Then add your columns, which represent the options users can choose from. Respondents can check more than one option per row, giving you flexible and detailed results. If needed, you can require a response in each row. This ensures participants don't skip any categories. After finishing the rows and columns, click Publish. Share your Google form so respondents can access it. Responses will appear in the Responses tab where you can review them. You can also export responses to Google Sheets for further analysis. This allows you to sort and analyze the data more easily. The checkbox grid is perfect for surveys, evaluations, and feedback forms. It provides structured yet flexible responses, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to use a checkbox grid in Google Forms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.